Hello everyone, I'm لاڤە هێمن. I'm a medical student and currently a student in the English diploma program. This program has helped me improve in all skills of English, speaking, listening, writing. The listeners are well organized and the teachers explain everything clearly. I feel more confident using English in real life, especially in conversation and writing. Even though it's an online course, there are many teachers who are truly amazing. They make learning enjoyable and fun. And there is always support when I need help. I also enjoy the interactive activities which make the learning experience even more interesting. After only 4 months of intensive learning, now I can already see great progress in my English skills. I am very satisfied with my improvement and I'm excited to continue learning in the next 2 months ahead. I truly recommend this course to anyone who wants to improve their English in a practical and effective way.